viewers, I'm Yusuf. I welcome you all in 5 Minutes Information channel. This is episode number 80, and in this episode I will talk about the non-probability sampling. Viewer guidance, you can access the notes of this video lecture from URL link mentioned on this video description. In this video, I will talk about the two main points about the non-probability sampling. Number one, what is non-probability sampling? Point number two, what are the different types of non-probability sampling? So the point number one, what is non-probability sampling? Non-probability sampling, there is a specific type of population selected for the study or research by the researcher. Entire population have not any chance to select for a study or research. In other words, we can define the non-probability sampling. In non-probability sampling is a sampling technique in which not all members of the population have an equal chance of participating in a study or research, unlikely probability sampling techniques. Point number two, what are the different types of non-probability sampling? There are 5 main types of non-probability sampling. Number one, convenience sampling. Number two, purposive sampling. Number three, quota sampling. Number four, snowball sampling. And number fifth, self-selection sampling. I will describe and discuss each type one by one. Number one, convenience sampling. Convenience sampling is also known as a grab sampling, accidental sampling, or opportunity sampling. Convenience sampling involves using respondents who are conveniently available or easy to reach and participate in a study or research. Example, a researcher who wants to know the attitude of college students towards the smartphone. He decided to go a popular college to collect the necessary data. Point number two, purposive sampling. Purposive sampling is also known as a judgemental sampling, selective sampling, or subjective sampling. It can be defined. Elements of selected for the sample are chosen by the judgment of the researcher. Researchers often believe that obtain a representative sample by using sound judgment, which will result in saving time and money. Example of purposive sampling. Before launching a new clothing brand product, an organization conduct a pilot testing to gather feedbacks from the market. For the sample of population, researcher choose expert dress designer to provide valuable feedback for a product improvement of the new launching product. Quota sampling. Quota sampling is also a type of a non-probability sampling. Quota sampling, researcher use specific quota from respective population to include all the facets of population on the basis of gender, age, region, experience, profession, and etc. Example, a researcher population consists 45% female and 55% male. Your sample should be reflect with the same percentage. Point number four, snowball sampling. Snowball sampling is referred as a chain sampling, chain referral sampling, or referral sampling. Is a non-probability sampling technique where existing study subject recruits future subjects from among their acquaintances. Thus, the sample group is said to grow like rolling snowball. As the sample builds up, enough data are generated to be useful for research. Example of snowball sampling. A study investigates cheating on exam or shoplifting, drug use, or any other unacceptable social behavior, potential participants would ray for upcoming forwarded because of possible of ramification. Point number 5, self-selection sampling. Sample is self-selected when inclusion or exclusion of a sampling units is determined by a researcher whether the units themselves agree or decline to participate as a sample, either explicitly or implicitly. Example of self-selection sample: survey researcher may put a questionnaire online or subsequently invite anyone within a particular organization to take part in any study or research is an example of the selected sampling techniques. Here I conclude the episode number 80. I hope viewer you understand what is non-probability sampling and what are the different types of non-probability sampling techniques. Please comment about this video and stay tuned with 5 minutes information channel. I will back soon. Thanks for watching till the end.